Hello there everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. Today I'm with my bestie Abby. Hi. And we're off to Myponga, and you can see it here in the background. We're on Myponga Reservoir, which is in South Australia, just outside of Adelaide, and we are going out for a kayak. And yeah, we're going to show you what it's like out here to kayak around here. Beautiful, beautiful spot. It's almost like, I feel like we're actually in America. You know, like they have the pine trees and all of that kind of stuff. That's what I feel like. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So yeah, as you can see, it pretty much looks like we've gone to some lake something or other in Canada and we're going for a kayak.
You actually get to the other side.
Yeah.
The bird life on the other side.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Best thing to do, beeline it across and then go left, and there's all like little creeks and stuff. Like
oh, okay.
Creeks.
All right, cool.
They're beautiful.
All right, thank you. That's awesome. So that's what we'll do. We're going to go across here. We'll see how we go because we're both terribly unfit, aren't we, Abby? So anyway.
Just float.
So stay here with me. So this gentleman here, he hires kayaks at Myponga Reservoir. So if you just want to just let all my viewers know and people know what your name is and what you do here.
Tony, from Myponga Kayak Hire. We hire singles for $30 for 2 hours. And we do doubles for $70 for 2 hours. And we do it every day of the week. And we do it from 10 till 12. And 1, 2, 3.
So this lovely gentleman has allowed us to borrow an oar because me and my silly ADHD brain has forgotten an oar. But I just want to highly recommend them because they're actually really reasonable prices. And this place is absolutely stunning. You have to come here.
Welcome to my office.
So this gentleman is very, very lucky. He does this every day. So come along to the kayak hire at Myponga and hire one of these kayaks and come out and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful scenery, and you're just going to love it. So we're going to show you a little bit more as we go along, and I hope that you'll come down here and experience this. Okay, so here you have a little spot where you can come and bring your kayak in, so you don't have to like go in the water and stuff. So I'm just going to, my friend Abby, she's going to come and do this. There she is, and she's going to come in and we're going to watch her come into this little thing and see how it works. So good luck, Abby.
Thank you. This is the first time ever.
Yeah, me too. I'm going to do this thingo doodad.
Getting a bit of a run up.
Yeah. Here she comes. She comes. Here she comes.
Good. It's a sort of a rubbery mat.
Yeah.
Oh no, sort of boards.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Old farts like me.
Old fart. Yeah, it's great. We're loving this. Here she goes. Let's get for the blooper now. No, you did good. Awesome. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Love it.
That's a really good thing.
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, great.
So I'm going to give it a shot now and go up that way.
Right.
So yeah, that's what you can do. So this is down at the Myponga, so it's got a little launch place and you can take your kayaks. Actually, not bad. So here we are, we're actually on Mount Bold Reservoir. And so this has just been a recent thing. I'm not sure, has it been a year, a bit over a year, Abby? Just a bit over a year since this opened. And yeah, you can just come in here and you can kayak. And if you've got your own kayak, you can kayak all day. And as the gentleman had said just previous, you can hire those kayaks for $30. Really reasonable, like such a reasonable price for a couple of hours of kayaking. And sometimes when you're just starting out on kayaking, that's enough. You wouldn't need any more than that. So even Abby and I have contemplated actually not bringing ours next time and doing a 2-hour stint here, so we don't have to even bother about it. So we might do that. Make it easy, hey? So yeah, so I'm just going to keep going and we're going to go right over to the other side there and start looking around. All the dragonflies everywhere.
The videos just don't do this place justice. It's just so nice here. It's just stunning. The glassiness of this water is just unbelievable. You got to experience it yourself to actually understand what I'm saying. And the peaceful, quiet, it's like there's no excessive noise here. It's just incredible. You're just going to love it.
You.
So,
Here, cheers.
cheers.
Well, you,
This is our christening of
Myponga Dam.
Myponga Dam.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. See, it's just like having a cordial.
Yum.
Yeah, we're in a nice little cool spot here. So if you look over there, oh, you probably can't see it too well. I don't think I can get into it. Where is it? Anyway, it's there somewhere. I just can't see it. If you look over there, that's where you launch off. So that's how far we've come. And it was really a walk in the park. We didn't take hardly any energy at all. Really highly recommend this on a nice still day like it is today. So yeah, it's been beautiful, and we've still got a little ways to go up there. We're just going to have a pit stop and a drink and carry on.
So all through this reservoir there's little fish. If you look carefully you can see them. They are full of fish in here. You can come fishing. I saw a great number of fishing kayaks. So bring your kayak down, throw a reel in and see what fish you can catch. It's actually really good. These are all like the little ones in the little estuaries everywhere, but you can catch bigger ones apparently. So yeah, if you're a fisherman, come down here in your fishing kayak and see what you can catch. All over this place there are little spots where you can stop. You can have a little picnic lunch and just sit there and then just enjoy the scenery. They're everywhere. They're really easy to access. There's not real muddy and squitchy. It's actually lovely. So get down there and enjoy this. It's fantastic. So that peace and quiet that you heard is the reason why you come here, because it helps you recharge. So that's what you're going to come here for. You're going to get recharged, you're going to get peace and quiet, and you're just going to love it.
So Abby and I are nearly at the end of our journey of kayaking the Myponga. What do you reckon, Abby?
It's been awesome.
It's been
Coming
the best,
back here
eh?
again, for sure.
Yeah, this is
One
just
of our best.
yeah, it really is. Like, I really recommend you come here. It's been so good.
Beautiful.
We've just had the best time. And actually, to be really honest, I think it's probably good going on a weekday anyway. Like, we're here on a Monday and there's really hardly anyone around. And there's been a few spots, as I've shown you with some of the footage, nice and quiet, little estuary areas. So definitely come here. Check out the hire kayak people, really excellent, nice people, and you'll just have a blast here. So enjoy kayaking on Myponga. Can't wait for the Happy Valley one to be open as well, but I don't think it will have anything on this. It's literally like feeling like you are on a Canadian lake. It's just beautiful, and yeah, I've just really enjoyed it. I've had a great time with some wine and laughs with my bestie. And that's what it's all about. Hey Abs. Yeah. So take care everyone, look after yourselves and have a great day. Bye.